Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Timer's ticking. Last chance to hit those likes. Let's get the party started.
Let's jump into the Bitcoin show.
Everyone's flipping out in the chat. Everyone is literally flipping out in the chat, man. Jordy, let's start before he gets 300 likes. Holy crap, man! You guys are going nuts with the chart. I totally did that on purpose. I want to see your guys' reaction. But what's going on, everyone? Hope you guys had a what is it? Wednesday, fantastic Wednesday. I cannot complain myself, man. Great day today. Bitcoin had another one of these days where it's kind of going up and going down and doing its kind of weird thing, right? Having a lot of volatility and a lot of unknowns going down in Bitcoin right now, but we got some stuff to talk about, right? We got some stuff to talk about, even though we're kind of in the same range that we've been in the last few days. The man, the myth, the legend amongst us. Yes, I was ultra late boy today. Ultra late boy. All right, guys, let's hit up that like button and let's get started, all right? So let's look at Bitcoin on the hourly chart. So on the hourly chart, okay, on the hourly chart, we're pretty much just going sideways / up. Now, could this end up being a flag that gets us up higher? It definitely could be. Now, what I want to state about this is normally I'd look for some type of bullish divergence, but we did not get that on the hourly. We didn't quite come low enough on the close to get that hourly bullish divergence, but we have come back down and tested our support level, which we have a couple different times. Guys are killing me in the chat, man. Not liking until we pump. Fair enough, man. I agree. I wouldn't like it until we pump too. But yeah, I mean, previous support, right? Previous support and previous support. We've come back down to this level 3 times. The previous 2 times we got a pump to the top. So let's see what Bitcoin does here. We haven't gotten the juice just yet. It doesn't mean we can't get the juice, right? I want to repeat. It doesn't mean that we can't get the juice to come back up to test the top of the range. We sort of did a similar thing down here where we did come back down to the bottom of the range. We kind of fiddled around for a few hours, and then we got that big impulse back up to the upside. So we can kind of diddle around down here if we want to. I don't want to diddle around, right? I want to pump. I want to pump right now.
Strap up. We're going to
But
the moon.
unfortunately, we got to wait until what Bitcoin wants to decide to do here on the hourly chart. Ultimately, tell us where we're going to go. Now, what I'll say is the hourly stock RSI is bottomed out. Now, that doesn't mean we have to pump, but just going based on the last couple times, it was relatively, I mean, down here, when you did start to curl back up, that was relatively the bottom in the last couple times. So I don't know. If it was up to me, I think that, you know, Bitcoin will probably come back up and test the top here. But we have to wait and see what it ultimately wants to do here, right? I want to pump. You sound like you already pumped, bro.
What do you think about Check their weekly posts.
No, man. Listen. Today I did the opposite of pump, okay? I literally did the opposite of pump today, okay? I'll leave it at that. I did the opposite. Which feels pretty good, actually. It feels pretty good for now. 4 hour. What the heck? Bitcoin looked like it was going to break up to the upside. And then it came back down and said,
Nope.
baked out to the upside. Closed. All right, we got the 4 hour close. We're all out here partying. You got Jimmy out in the back lawn, you know, mooning everyone. Jimmy's out in the back mooning everyone. We're going to the moon. I told you guys. We're going to the moon. I told you. Yippee. We're going to the moon. Check me out, guys. Check me out. Check me out. Strap up. My stivvy's going to the moon. You got Jimmy in the back mooning everyone on the lawn because he thinks we're going to the moon. And then Bitcoin comes right back in to the channel. And now we're just sort of sitting right back below resistance again, right? So it's kind of a fake out. Let's see if Bitcoin can hold. The one thing I do like is we are holding the 20, or sorry, I keep thinking it's the 20 because we usually got the 20. Keeps holding the 50, which it held all throughout this range, right? The 50 4-hour EMA has been holding as support recently. So let's see if that holds. As of right now, we did get a wick below it, but we're sort of hovering right above it. Let's see what happens next. I think we'll continue up. The reason why I think we're going to continue up is because the hat. Ever since we were wearing the backwards hat on stream, we have been moving to the upside, okay? So that's why that's my biggest indicator that we are moving up, because we have the not the rally cap, but the backwards hat on today. And we're going to keep it on until it doesn't work, okay? We're going to keep this on until we hit 6-figure Bitcoin, all right? That's what we're doing. I don't care what any of you guys say. At least there's one thing you like. That's true.
Reported in California today.
John mooning people. Yeah, that's true too. All right. Anyways, besides that, anything else we have to look at in the 4-hour? Not really, right? Not really. It's not really any bullish divergence, no bearish divergence. We're sort of just chilling. We're sort of just chilling in a range, and we're waiting for that breakout. We're for the true breakout, not the fake breakout. Bitcoin dropped exactly when OMI reported in California today. I mean, that was I don't get why people freak themselves out. Obviously, it's going to go to California. Obviously. It's not like it's just like, oh, it's not going to come over here. Oh, it's not going to come over here. No, we're good, guys. It's not going to come over here. It's not going to come over here. Oh, it's not going to come over here. And then it does. And then you got everyone freaking out. Like freaking on every little bit of freaking news, guys. It's like, dude, I didn't think it was going to reach over here. I'm scared. I'm selling all my Bitcoin now. I'm selling all my Bitcoin. It's here. It's here. Ah, it's here. I didn't think it was coming. It's like, dude, obviously.
Rant alert.
It's like, holy crap. I could have never predicted that. I could have never predicted that.
Rant alert.
It's like, dude. But anyways, I think Bitcoin will fall down 48K and previous positions, then move up to 6 figures. Yep. Yeah, let's see what happens, right? Let's see what happens. 57,220, just holding that. I mean, like we said, guys, Bitcoin was looking good, and then we came right back down because of the stupid news. Because of the stupid news. It is what it is, but we're gonna have to deal with it. It's not going anywhere. We're gonna deal with it, all right? What's not supposed to come over here? Hold on, let me get my water real quick, guys. I'm already sweating, man. I'm already sweating. Ugh. What are the odds? What are the odds it comes over here? I mean, I would have never thought in a million years. The stock market dumped and Bitcoin on that news. Yeah. The S&P. The S&P was going off this morning. The S&P was absolutely going nuts this morning. And then it just tanked. Anyways, the daily, guys, the daily's pretty much the same story, right? I mean, in a nutshell, or I guess we can't really call it a nutshell. I guess we should call it not a nutshell, but how do we want to word this, guys? In a acorn shell? It's a little bit bigger than a nut. We'll call it in an acorn shell. We are still in this big rising wedge, okay? I mean, it's not much new. We're still sitting right above our green box of support, right? As long as we continue to hold this green box of support, everything's looking fine. And I still like the look of this possible left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. Now, depending on how much we want to curve, every time, man, I still like the look of this pattern, okay? I still like the look of this pattern. We obviously just need to break the wedge as well on a close, a daily close preferably. And then ultimately, would give us a target somewhere upwards of 65,700-ish if that was the break to the upside. But we need to wait for the thing. Didn't mean to upset you. No, Barry, you didn't upset me. I was just ranting, man. I rant a lot, and if I rant at something you say, it's because I'm just trolling, man. I'm just trolling. Like, I troll a lot on my own stream. I troll my audience. It's kind of fun. I like it. You know what I mean? But yeah, I mean, this is what did you draw? I still like the look of this inverse head and shoulders, right? So it's not what you think it is. It's an inverse head and shoulders. I still like that the upside. We just need to break the wedge resistance, and we still have these freaking annoying EMAs, right? The 20 and 50 EMA are acting kind of annoying, all right? Acting kind of annoying. So
We get alien invasion.
what happened to crypto if we get alien invasion?
Everybody panic. We're going to zero.
I think we have more problems than that, man. If we had alien invasion, crypto's going to zero, okay? Stock market's going to zero. Everything's going to zero if there was an alien invasion. I'll tell you right now, if there's alien invasion, I'm selling everything I can get. And I'm building a big bunker in the ground, buying as much food as I can, and bunkering down, man. And bunkering down. It's gonna be like that movie. What's that movie? I forget what the movie's called, but yeah. I still like this break to the upside, guys. Don't count out the wedge, okay? Don't count out the wedge. Now, there's still a possibility where maybe Bitcoin comes back down a little bit lower here. Still comes back down and maybe tests 55,300-ish, and then rounds out, which would honestly make a cleaner inverse head and shoulders if that was to happen. So keep that in mind. That's still a possibility. And that would also match up, if it did do that, it would match up also awesomely with this upwards trending support line, okay? And the support, okay? So that would kind of cross, and it would be really, really nice structure if that was to happen. So that's still a possibility. Let's see what happens. I mean, Bitcoin's still up today. It's up 0.25%, but nothing crazy. Matic is pumping. Yo, Matic's at 2. Bro, we got to go to Matic, bro. Holy moly. I didn't even realize Matic was up 13%. Look at Matic. Oh, yeah, it's gone. It's gone. Here we go. I want to play the pop music, so here we go. Oh, look at the hair, bro. Oh, look at the hair, man. That's brutal. That's brutal. Oh, yeah. That's looking quite dagger. Oh, yeah. I like the look of that. 201 though. It's up 13% of the day. Looks like we have broken out of it's pretty much a channel, right? You broke this downtrend of resistance. I mean, I could see a move up to $3 if Bitcoin can hold up. That's obviously if and only if Bitcoin holds up. But Matic looking pretty good today. Basically came back up and tested slightly below its previous high. So, yep, Matic's looking juicy. Juicy, 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 as we would say. I'm liking my Matic, man. But I like Matic. When Matic moves, it tends to move pretty nicely. So, let's hope we can get a little bit more parabolic, and we'll all be happy people. We'll all be happy people. We'll check out Solana too. Solana's going off, and also Algo's going off too. We'll check out all these today. There's some alts that are going off today, and then other alts that are crap in the bed. Dot, 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 Shib, Shib. Shib is a piece of shib. I'm just kidding. I'm not really kidding, but anyways. Bitcoin on the weekly, not much else to really say about Bitcoin on the weekly. Still just kind of holding our little support, right? I mean, not enough data on the weekly. It's pretty much been a nothing burger week so far. I mean, it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Pretty much been nothing. Pretty much been nothing. I mean, we've gone up and we've gone down and we've gone sideways, but not really much going on. It's pretty much we're sitting here going... While Vitalik's out here picking his damn nose. I love this, man. I love this. I had to do it. All right. Look at Vitalik, guys. He's getting deep. He's mining his ETH. He's mining his ETH. There he goes. Oh. I love how he goes. He thinks it, and then he goes. Oh, that's my favorite video, man. That never gets old. It's the little things, bro. He goes. All right. All right. Anyways. Oh, man, I'm in a good mood again. Dude, I've been in a great... Dude, I'm telling you guys, it's the freaking yoga, bro. It's the yoga. It puts you in a good... The last 4 days, I have been in the best mood I have ever been. I've made great decisions in the last 4 days. Great decisions in the last 4 days. I've been hyped. I've been hyper. My mood's up. It's great, man. I'm telling you, it's the yoga. Don't hate it until you try it, man. You're going to say, Jordan, that's feminine. No, it's not. Do it. Do it. All right, daily. The daily. So, real quick, I know we checked on sort of our other daily chart, but just wanted to note how this 20-day EMA is acting kind of as perfect resistance here. You guys can see we wicked up to it perfectly yesterday. We wicked up to it perfectly today. We keep getting rejected off of it, man. We keep getting rejected not rejected it, but we keep getting rejected off this 20-day EMA, right? I mean, kaboom, kaboom, twice. It's like, so, I mean, it's an important level for us to get over. Just, it's not really for example, but when we got over it here, that was kind of the signal like, all right, we're going. It was the same thing down here when we really got confirmation above it. That's when we really started going, right? So I'm waiting for confirmation above that. So far, no cigar, but we know that cigars, all they need is a little bit of a lighter to light, and they're good to go, right? And a couple puffs, but I need a cigar, man. I haven't had a cigar in a long time. There's nothing better than just sitting there and shooting the crap with some peeps and smoking a cig. Not a cig, but how did I say a cig? Smoking a cigar. It's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. All right, let's go check out ETH. I know Bitcoin's still chilling at 57,000. So really not much going on with Bitcoin at the moment, guys. Wish I had more, but that's really it. ETH, on the other hand, we know ETH has been absolutely crushing it. It got as high as 47.82 today. Pretty close to its highs, right? Almost close to its highs, which is pretty crazy. And now it pulled back, right? It pulled back on the hourly. But what I will say about this on the hourly time frame is I love this pullback. Why? Because we have reset the hourly RSI beautifully. Absolutely beautifully. And you can also see... Did someone say free? Jordan doesn't mean real yoga. No, I do. I do mean real yoga. Guys, I told you. I actually meant real yoga. It's been great. Maybe that's not it, but maybe there's something else too. But anyways, we'll talk about that later. Like we say, guys, there's first half talk and then there's second half talk. We know the second half gets a little bit weirder. Okay, first half we have to keep it somewhat civilized because people are here for TA. People aren't here for me. They're here for TA. They're here for Jabba and TA, not me. Anyways, ETH on the hourly just tested your previous high, came back down, flipped it as support once, flipped it as support twice. The question is, will this level hold? Will this level hold on Captain Ethereum? Well, let's see. Let's see. Do we have some bullish divergence forming? We do. Okay, we do. It's forming. It's forming very nicely. I like the exaggerated bullish div here. You got lower lows and you got higher lows coming in for Captain Ethereum on this move. And you're also right at support. If this was ever a level for Ethereum to bounce, this would be it. Okay, this would be it. Now, could ETH come lower? You can't rule that out. I don't think you can rule out ETH coming lower here. Let's actually go check the 4 hour, see if we have anything similar. The 4 hour is actually building some bullish divergence as well, so that's pretty juicy. And I believe that we are at. Jordan wears joggers and sleeveless hoodies. I do wear joggers and sleeveless hoodies. They're fresh, man. You should get some. I'm serious. You should definitely get some. Man, the fibs aren't really helping us out too much here, guys. The fibs are not really helping us out too much, unfortunately. But yeah, I mean the 4 hour kind of has it too. Just testing the previous high. I like this as a bounce area. I like this as a potential bounce area for ETH. We just need the juice, as we always like to say. We just need that juice. Let's see. Who said bye? Who's leaving already? Holy crap.
Can you look at the Koshnet AKT? I was driving last night and picked a last call.
The open bottom joggers are gross. Dude, no, you can't go with the open bottom joggers. You got to get the just the straight fresh ones. You know, that's definitely the way to go. But anyways, that's sort of the 4 hour there, guys. Check out the 4 hour EMA ribbon, see where that's hitting. Still a little bit overextended from the 4 hour EMA ribbon, so we actually is the 4 hour. Actually, no, look at this. There's a 20 on the 4 hour. Look at that. Look at that perfect bounce right off that previous level too. So we actually did technically come back down and bounce off the 4 hour EMA ribbon. You guys know I like to do that in bullish trends, right? I always like to allow this to catch up to us. And these last couple 4 hour candles, we've allowed this to move up. We've gotten the bounce off of it, okay? So I do like that setup. I like that setup a lot, especially, you know, if we do close this 4 hour, which we're probably going to do in the next 10 minutes at this level. And hopefully the next 4 hour will boost us back up to the upside. But I do like that setup there. The daily's probably a little bit overextended still, which is fine. I'm not too much worried about that. Hourly EMA ribbon, we did break below. But let's see if we can, obviously, let's see if we can get back above it here shortly. That is the question. But we did break the hourly, so that's slightly, not worrisome, but kind of going to be a hindrance here, maybe on the 1 hour. But 4 hours not looking too shabby, I would say. You're toast. I did what needed to be done. What did this guy say? What did he say? What did he say? What did he say? I like when people... guys, mods in the chat. If someone's talking crap about me, don't ban them, okay? Don't ban them. Show me him. Because I would much rather troll them myself, okay, than them get banned. Just say it. I have fun with that. I like when I see those comments, man. They're too funny, man. All right. So let's see. Bitcoin is trying to get a little bit of bumpage, but still too early. We got 7 minutes until the close, guys. So what is going to happen in these next... Wait, why does it still... Hold on, I got to fix that, guys. It still says 36 minutes. Holy crap. Let me fix that real quick. 0, boom, there we go. We got 6:45. So we got 6 minutes and 40 seconds left to go to the close. Let's see how high we can get, ultimately. I mean, the daily is the daily. It's whatever. I mean, it's indecision candle, really. So let's see what happens with that. All right. So we checked out Matic. let's check out some other ones that have gone up pretty well, and then we'll jump and jump around. Solana up about 10% as well. Solana looks like it's broken out of its basically of its downtrend of resistance. I mean, clearly broke that out. Clearly broke that out. So that is looking, what do we like to say, guys? How is this looking? Answer it for me in the chat. What am I going to say? What do I always say? This is looking blank. If you can guess it, I'll give you a shout out. This is looking blank. I want to see what you guys say. But while you guys answer that, let's just bring out our fibs for Solana. So we're right at the 618. We're right at the golden pocket. I want to see what you guys say. We're right at the golden pocket. So this might be a little bit of a hindrance here. Previous resistance and the golden pocket zone. So keep that in mind. Juicy. You guys just all said juicy. There it is. This is looking juicy. But yeah, down, up, coming up to test the highs, right? You're coming up to test those highs. Let's see what happens next. But if you can break this, I mean, that's a nice W reversal. Nice W reversal to get you back up to the top here. Right around 260. I can't give everyone a shout out, but you guys all guessed it right. Juicy. There we go. We're looking juicy. But yeah, Solana's looking good. Just gonna break two, right around. I mean, I guess it's technically the high up here at like 235, but yeah, I mean, Solana's looking juicy. We'll obviously check out Solana again. We'll play the pump song for Solana. Why not, man? Just kidding. I'm not salty anymore. I'm part of the Solana army now. I'm part of the Solana army. So I'm not salty anymore. I just wanted to see what you guys would say in the chat. I am officially a part of the Solana fam since this dip. So yeah, it's already been doing pretty well for me. I think I got it at like 195 was my entry point. So, I mean, I know some of you guys got in way earlier and you guys have been killing it on Solana. I mean, I'm up about 17%. You guys are probably up a bunch, way more than me on Solana, I'll tell you that. Anyways, let's go check out Algo, which also went up 8% today. Let's get another pump song going. Algo doing well today. All my coins are doing well today. All my coins are doing well today, except ETH. But ETH is kind of having a little bit of a break. Like I said, guys, we got divorced. Me and ETH are divorced now. But she still wants to come over sometimes. But so she's not coming over tonight. She's a little bit crabby. Maybe she'll come over after the close. You know, we'll see. And then we can get some pumpage going. But yeah, Algo, kind of like we said, guys, it was expected for us to kind of move back up to the top. We had bullish diversions on the daily here. Lower lows, higher lows on the RSI. Off the previous support that we bounced off of plenty of times in the past. We said it was likely it was coming back up to 237, and that's what it looks like it wants to do.
I am waiting for the daily market maker's impression. This one packed me up. Rolling on the floor, laughing, rolling on the floor, laughing.
I'm waiting for the daily market maker's impression. Yesterday was the best one, in my opinion. If I was to compliment myself, yesterday was the best one. That was the best. But yeah, 197, we're going up to 238 in my personal opinion. We did break the previous high, which was juicy. So that kind of confirms. Also another W reversal pattern that should come back up and test the highs. So that's looking good. That's looking good. It's another one bites the dust there. Another one bites the dust. You sold your ETH? No, I didn't sell my ETH. I still hold all my ETH. Guys, I'm not selling my ETH. I'm not selling my ETH, bro. No one could take my ETH. All right? No one could. Not even Satoshi. Not even Vitalik could take my ETH. Maybe Vitalik could. He would have to give me something, though. No TA moving lines. I saw that. I didn't move lines. What line did I move? I didn't move diddly squat. Okay? I'm not savvy, guys. I'm not savvy where, you know, every time we move, you know, we sort of go like this. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. I got to stream in like 30. I got to stream in 30 minutes, bro. I got to stream in 30 minutes, man. I got to move my line. Oh, crap. We just broke this resistance. Let me move the line right here. Okay, perfect. All right. The stream should be all set up. Let me come back in 20 minutes. 20 minutes later. All right, cool. We're ready to go. Oh, crap. Bitcoin pumped. Algo. Oh, crap. It pumped again? I got to move the line up. All right, perfect. We're good. Stream starts in 30 seconds. Let me go get a bite to eat. I'll be back again. Okay. 30 seconds later. Oh, crap. All right, we got to do it right here. All right, let's start the stream. Let's start the stream here. Let's start the stream. All right, welcome to today's stream, guys. It's Crypto Savvy. We do have a big resistance here for Bitcoin. All the bulls are getting extremely excited right now. Guys, nothing has changed. We are still in a bearish pattern, right? We have a clear Elliott wave of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we're gonna get that 9th wave all the way back down here to 115 for Algo. So you guys can see the clear resistance here. I have not moved these lines. That is the clear resistance. All right. So that's today's show. See you guys.
Most people see futures, but we see the whole forest start thinking like a solo artist.
Most people see few trees, but we see the whole forest. Wow. That's deep. That's deep, Fashad. What's going on, Fashad? Fashad's the homie, man. Good old Elliott wave. 14K ETH coming. Oh, 14K ETH is coming, man. I don't know when, but I think it is coming. I have no idea when. I don't like to give dates. All right, we're not going to do this BitBoy crap. You know, what was it? 4K ETH on Valentine's Day or whatever? I forget. I forget what the actual thing was. Oh, we ain't doing that. All right, let's check out the daily close, guys. Daily close. So Bitcoin closed at right about 57,230-ish. And now we're kind of starting the day. Oh, we're going to see where the new day goes now, right? Overall, I mean, we said we wanted to close above the screen box of support. That's what we did. As long as we continue to do that, everything's fine. So yeah, we got to see what happens next. We are getting tight here. We're getting really, really tight. We know in crypto we like things tight. Okay, we like things really, really tight. So we're gonna get squeezed here between this basic support and this downtrend of resistance. I think a move's gotta happen here relatively soon, within the next 2 days. I would say a move's gotta happen here. So I don't know. Doesn't have to happen today, but gonna happen in the next 2 days, in my opinion. I don't think we have too much more room here to diddle around. It's either we come back down and test 55.3, in my opinion, or we do get that final breakout within the next 2 days, in my personal opinion. Let's see what Bitcoin wants to do, boys. Let's see what it wants to do. Nothing has changed.
Nothing has changed. Nothing has changed.
Savvy is a bear that's scared of bees. Are bears scared of bees? I can't remember. Are bears scared of bees, guys? I don't think they are. I have no idea. I don't think they are. I think because they eat honey. Bears eat honey, guys. So bears aren't scared of bees. I don't think so. I could be totally wrong about that, but all right. Bitcoin's showing at 57,000. What's new? That's its new home, 57,000. It loves 57,000, man. It loves 57,000. I'm sick of 57,000. I want 100,000, and I want 100,000 right freaking now. Okay. All right, let's see what we got. We have Real PC Benchmark, who said, what do you think about Sunday Swap? Check their weekly posts and updates. There's no update in almost a month now. ADA start to be like a meme coin. What do you think about Sunday Swap? The weekly posts and updates? I haven't heard too much about it. He said there's no updates on the month, and I don't think too many people have heard about it too. So, yeah, we'll see, man. We shall see about that, dude. Jason said, you aren't going to make a killing on Bitcoin anymore. Market cap is too high. Look for small cap gems like ENYR if you want gains. All right, Jason shouting out his coin. All right. Can't say I agree with you, Jason. Can't say I agree. Barry said, Bitcoin dropped. Okay, we did that for Barry. Then Barry apologized. Barry, we're all good, man. We're tight, bro. We're tight, Barry. I don't hold grudges, man. I am a forgiver. I'm a forgiver to a fault, man. I'm a forgiver to a fault. So, Barry, we good, bro. Uvire said, what happened to crypto if we get alien invasion? Crypto's going to zero, man.
Everybody panic. We're going to zero.
Like we said with Bob. I mean, you saw what happened when we get a freaking virus, right? Who knows what happens if we get an alien invasion? Everyone's selling their crypto. I am 100%. Brandon said, can you look at a cash network? I was driving last night and typed Alash. Oh, a cash network. What the heck is that? What the heck is a cash network? A cash network. On a daily.
Solo Army are now selling because there is a shortage on exchanges. The price will rise best.
Solo Army are now selling because there's a shortage on exchanges. Interesting. All right, a cash. I mean, it has a potential double bottom here. If it can bounce, right? If it can bounce, man, you just haven't gotten the juice. You haven't gotten the juice. You had a nice kind of bullish divergence here in the daily time frame. You just did not get that juice. The juice has just not come in the last 2 days. So let's actually zoom in this little part here to see what's going on. Not too much yet. No sign of a bottom here for me. I think this could come back down and test this level again. I think you come back down to $2 again and try to make a smaller time frame double bottom and hopefully bounce back up. RSI still has room to run. No sign of bullish divergence. I think this comes back down to $2. Personally, I would say nothing personal, but I think that's where it's coming. You broke the set of uptrend of support. See, uptrend of support. You back tested it as resistance. I think you're coming down. There. All right, Bitcoin. Let's get a pump, boy. Solo is pumping like crazy. Bashad, we gotta check out Solo. We gotta check out Solo for you, man. I got you in a second, man.
Jordan, can you check if now is a good entry point for $ERC? Its mirror breakout. Thank you, Greg.
Sammy Loyal charges 20K in ETH for VIP access? No way. Is that true? Guys, don't be paying for these trading groups, man. I don't mean to, I'm not trying to throw shade. It's just, dude, don't be paying for these trading groups, man. I'm not trying to kill people's businesses either. It's just, dude, 20K. Don't be doing it. 57,184. It would be different if it was like $20. Like $20. That's different. Whatever. $20 a month. Whatever. Cool. Sand finally starting to pump again. All right. Let's see. Let's see. Where were we? Cash. Juan became a member. What's going on, Juan? Thanks for joining, dude. Appreciate you just supporting the channel, man. It's definitely appreciated, dude.
Solo Army, get ready. We are about to land on the moon in 2 weeks.
Where can I buy some Solo? Proverb, we'll check it out. Let's actually just check out, I mean, Fashad really wants to look at Solo, and you know Fashad's the homie, so let's look at Solo on the daily. Yeah, it's up 30% today. Third Proverb said, where can you buy it? Probit, BitTrue, Bitforex, Hotbit, and Coinfield. Sure. That's where you can buy it. But, yeah. Looks like it's going off, man. Up 30% on the day. Up, wow. Doing really well. Doing really well, man. Congrats, Fashad. Congrats, Fashad. I'll give you a pump music for that. Just for you, man. Bitcoin's dumping. Bitcoin's dumping, man. All right, so Bitcoin's coming down. Matic. That's a nice back test, man. Look at this. Downtrend of resistance. 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches. You pump to the upside. Coming back down. Back testing that previous resistance and flipping it as new support. And are now trying to get that upwards movement, man. Matic is looking like it wants to continue this run. Just a nice little setup there for Matic to hopefully continue up. But yeah, Matic's looking juicy. Matic's looking juicy. Just wanted to comment on it again. Larry said, Jordan, I'm waiting for the daily market maker's impression. This one cracked me up. Oh, I'll bring it out today, man. I got to do it at the right time though. It's got to be at the right time. Kelly said, can you take out a look at the correlation between the local tops highs on ETH Bitcoin with the bullish trends on total market cap or of Bitcoin, if that makes sense? Sure. Was the ETH Bitcoin, the ETH BTC pair? Let's actually get the Binance one out. So the recent peaks and the pumps. Let's see. That's probably going to be somewhat interesting. Let's actually see. So the recent peaks we had was in May 15th when ETH peaked out here in May 15th. That was May 15th. Was actually, where were we on May 15th? May 15th, we were right here. So kind of in the middle of the dump. We had September 3rd was the next peak. So on September 3rd, we were right here. So we still moved up a pretty good amount there on September 3rd. I don't know. It doesn't seem to be much correlation. This one we were kind of, I don't know. Doesn't seem to be much there. Doesn't really seem to be much there, to be honest. One of them you were in the middle of a dump. One of them you were in the middle of a pump. This one you're kind of unknown so far. Kind of unknown. Next we're going to look at the dailies. You know? Yeah, February 21st. September 2nd on last year. Let's see. So February 21st was the peak. All right. And then September 20th of last year was the bottom. So that really doesn't tell you much. One of them was the bottom. One of them was the top. One of them was the middle of a dump. One of them was the middle of a pump. It doesn't really tell you too much. It doesn't really tell you too much. But interesting. Interesting. That's a double dragon. The double dragon.
Jordan, can you check the data as chart on the weekly log on Binance? It's heading to a really big support level. To see a major bounce for that.
Savvy thinks we're going to pump then dump down under 40K. Of course he does. He always thinks we're going under 40K. When does Savvy not think we're going to 40K? When does he not think that? Think about it for a second. When does he not think that? Let's see. Most people see few trees, but we see the whole forest. All right, shout out to Fashad. Shout out to Fashad again. Connor said, can you check out if now is a good entry point for ERG, please? Hoping it's near a breakout. Thank you. For ERG? ERG? You know what, man? That really irks me. That really irks me, bro. I think Karen's coming. Uh-oh. Is now a good entry point on ERG? I mean, if there was ever a good entry point on ERG, it would be now. I mean, this thing's down. This thing's down 65% from its highs. I mean, it's not really showing any signs. I mean, this is not the whole chart. But at least on Qcoin here, it's not really showing any signs of stopping. Maybe if you can get a reversal here, maybe you have some, yeah. You broke all your fib levels. You're kind of just in black screen territory to the downside, as we would call it. There's really not much.
Possible 15 meters bear flag target 4K forming huge W.
54K forming huge W. There's really not much here, man. And this thing could just continue down if it really wants to. The daily's getting almost oversold. So, I mean, you could come a little bit lower, but I think you get a bounce here somewhat soon. Just to maybe even reset the daily, but... yeah, I mean, this thing is looking kind of dire there. Gross. That looks like crap. I was trying to be somewhat positive. I was trying to be somewhat positive. It's not looking great. Not looking great. Ryan became a member. What's going on, Ryan? Thanks for joining, dude. Thanks for joining, Ryan Greathouse. What a name. Is your last name actually Greathouse? That is legit, man. I gotta give you a round of applause for that, man.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
That is a great last name. Greathouse? Can't get better than that. Your last name is literally great. Hey, Jordan. How's VeChain looking? Feel like it's weak. VeChain's looking, I don't know. It's looking, I guess like VeChain, right? No, it's looking like a lot of other alts have, right? A lot of alts kind of look similar where you're getting this sort of bounce off previous support. The previous support here. You're trying to bounce off that level again. If you look at this on the daily time frame, you got higher lows, right? And you got lower lows. So simply higher lows and lower lows coming in, okay? And let's see what happens next, right? Higher lows, lower lows. If there was any spot to bounce, this would be it, as we like to say, right? And I guarantee you it's probably going to be sitting right on the 618. You actually wick down to the 786 perfectly. So it's a lot there. There's a lot there for a potential bounce. You just need Bitcoin to do its thing. You need Bitcoin to do its thing here, ultimately, right? We know this. Now, if Bitcoin comes a little bit lower, could we come back down maybe a little bit and then make some type of W reversal back to the upside at this level? We could. And if Bitcoin goes lower in general, maybe we come back down and test this again and then bounce back up too. That's certainly a possibility. Just depends what Bitcoin does, really. I mean, in a nutshell, it really depends. But yeah, I mean, I'm still holding my VeChain. I'm not selling my VeChain. My VeChain is locked up. It's actually not locked up. I could sell it if I want to. But in theory, it's locked up. It's Jordan's version of locked up, which is just he's not selling it right now. Solo to $30 plus in 2 weeks, best believe. Solo to $30 in 2 weeks, apparently, based off a shot. David said, hey Jordan, can you check out the ADA ETH chart on the weekly log on Binance? Getting to a really big support level. Could we see a major bounce for ADA? Let's see. So the ADA ETH. Let's see, is it Cardano ETH? Yeah, there we go. Wow. Wow. Cardano's getting destroyed. I remember when everyone was looking at this like, oh, Cardano's killing ETH. Cardano's killing ETH. It's killing it. Oh, Cardano's the ETH killer. Cardano's the ETH killer.
Nope.
No, but Cardano's getting kind of destroyed by ETH at the moment. But it's coming up on a support, you said. Yeah, I mean, it is coming up on a support level. I will say that. I mean, it could come a little bit lower here, potentially. Probably say right around here. Right around here. 0.00031 could be a potential area for a bounce. Could be a potential area. You just don't know. You just don't know. I mean, this thing's been breaking levels here left and right. Who knows, man? Who knows? Man. Could bounce here. It could come back down maybe a little bit lower down to here. But I would say look for our initial bounce off right around 0.0003 is the level I'd look for. And then you would obviously want this to bounce here and sort of make your way. You might have a trend line coming down like this. Yeah, I mean, that matches up pretty perfectly if this ends up being some type of trend line. From boom to boom, and then you bounce off right here, boom. Something like that could be happening, potentially, on the ETH Bitcoin pair. ADA's a stable coin. Matic's the ETH killer. I wouldn't say Matic is the ETH killer. What are you guys saying? BitBoy loves ADA, so I don't. BitBoy loves every coin. What coin does BitBoy not love? Hey, BitBoy loves every coin. If you love every coin, you can't be wrong, right? You can't be wrong if you love every coin. Why do you think he likes XRP? Why do you think he likes XRP? He doesn't actually like XRP. Let's be honest here. Wow said possible 15-minute bear flag target, 54K forming huge W. Possible 15-minute bear flag target, 54K forming huge W. Bear flag on the 15-minute. Bear flag on the 15-minute. On BTC. I don't know if I'm seeing a bear flag on the 15-minute. You guys seen a bear flag on the 15-minute? I'm not seeing it, man. I'm not seeing such a thing. Personally. What does the guy from Bank of Canada think about it? Let's ask him. Hey, Bank of Canada guy, what do you think about Bitcoin? What do you think about Bitcoin, bro?
Basically, Bitcoin is clearly a scam. Cryptocurrency is clearly an idiot with no common sense. And scientifically speaking, according to a study at the Bank of Canada, more people who are financially illiterate invest in Bitcoin.
Facts. Facts. Absolute facts. Inverse head and shoulders on the daily. Yep, that's what we're watching. Watch the possible inverse head and shoulders on the daily. Cardano is the Cardano killer. That's facts. Cardano is the Cardano killer. It's like Cardano wants to kill itself. It's like Cardano's like, yo, Cardano, you trying to fight, bro? You trying to fight, bro? Come on, bro. No, guys, break it up. Break it up. Break it up. Break it up, man. Break it up, bro. No, I want to get Cardano. Come on, Cardano. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Come on, man. Bro, you are Cardano. What do you mean? Why are you trying to fight yourself? You are Cardano, man. What? You don't want to live up to your promises, bro? You don't want to live up to your promises, bro? What's wrong with you? Live up to your promises. Freaking coin. You're supposed to be the ETH killer. Ah, man. He really fight himself. Cardano's killing itself. You think you're better than me? I do. I do think you're better than you. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Well, look at, let's go back to Matic. Matic is mooning right now. Matic is absolutely crushing it. Let's go back to Matic. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah, baby. Give it to me, baby. Give it to me, baby.
Rant alert.
I didn't mean to press rant alert. You know why Bitcoin wasn't pumping? Because I didn't have the backwards hat on. That's why. I didn't have the back. Why didn't you guys remind me to have the backwards hat on? That is the key to Bitcoin pumping. Matic's pumping though. Up 4% on the new day already. Not looking too shabby. Let's see if it can break some of these highs. If it can, let's get some FOMO going on Matic, man. If it can, you get your next high up at 215. You're probably going to 215 if this level breaks. If that level breaks, you're probably going up to about 222. 222. So 215 and 222 are those two levels, bro. Let's see what happens next, man. I love Matic. Yep. I love Matic. Ada killed Ada just as... That's true, man. That's true. Jump on the Ada train? I don't know if anyone wants to jump on the Ada train, man. I don't know if anyone wants to jump on Ada train.
Ada killed Ada just as Fauci destroyed science thinking.
Michael said, will this bull run ever happen? Bro, we're all waiting. We're all waiting together, Mike. Right? I mean, Mike, you've been here forever, bro. We're all waiting here forever. You know, every day we're here, waiting patiently. Some of us not so patiently. Some of us, every time we have a dip, we look like SpongeBob, you know? Every time we dip, we look like SpongeBob, bro. Some of us are just chilling. Some of us are FOMOing. You know, we're all in different stages of our crypto journey. But what we can all agree on is we are all waiting. We're all waiting for the... we're all waiting for the potential move up, man. We're all waiting for it patiently. You know, we're showing in a boring period right now. The last couple of weeks, you know, kind of boring. But we're waiting, bro. We're waiting. Just don't be SpongeBob. Everything will be good if you just don't be SpongeBob. Be the opposite of SpongeBob. So when SpongeBob's saying Bitcoin's going up, I'm going to buy this dip so hard. Be the opposite, saying Bitcoin's going down. I'm going to buy this dip so hard. And then when it's going up, you cry because it's going up because you don't have any more buying opportunities, right? And then you're down here, you said, bull market is here. I can't buy anymore. Right? Do the opposite of SpongeBob and you will be successful in crypto, man. Just don't be SpongeBob. All right, so Matic is just chilling. We got the stock market. Holy majoli, the stock market came down. Bitcoin actually held up pretty well considering. Bitcoin held up pretty well considering that the S&P dumped like this. The S&P was looking pretty good for a little bit. I don't remember which one I was looking at, but yeah, boom. This is on the 4 hour, but yeah, it was coming up and then boom, came back down. Bitcoin, you have to admit, guys, Bitcoin held up pretty well considering, pretty friggin' well. This is resetting pretty nicely here, in theory. This is resetting pretty nicely in theory. Where does it come back down to? I mean, it's anyone's guess. It's anyone's guess. I think, you know, look at this like this. I mean, we're at the 0.5 fib. Will that be the bounce level? Makes sense based off Fibonacci levels. Could come maybe a little bit back, maybe a little bit farther here, depending on how we're looking tomorrow. Obviously, news can shake this up, right? News can obviously do its thing, but let's see what happens tomorrow. Let's see what happens tomorrow on the S&P. You haven't seen anything yet? Inflation.
Jordan, any idea what the big announcement will be at the Modded Summit?
No idea, aviation. I have no idea. Okay? I have no idea. I haven't even looked into that, to be honest with you, dude. But all I can say is I'm enjoying what's going on there. I'm enjoying what's going on. Oh, yeah. That's more like it. That is more like it. Let me go back to this. And then let's go look at the Bitcoin dominance. Dominance is still chilling. Dominance is still in. Here we go. I was like, why am I a lobster, bro? Still in this wedge on the dominance. Just patiently waiting on this wedge breakout. Being very, very patient on this wedge breakout here. I still think this breaks to the upside, right? Just like most of our wedgies. Just like most of our wedgies, you expect this to break to the upside. Very similar to, let's say, we had another wedgie. I forget where the other wedgie was. But it was very similar to another wedgie that we had. Let's see. We could, I mean, this could still go on a little bit longer, but I'm expecting the dominance to come back up here at some point within the next couple weeks. I expect the dominance to continue up. Hopefully it's Bitcoin getting that big move to the upside just like it had a couple months ago, and hoping it's not for the other reason where Bitcoin comes down and alts get crushed. Hopefully it's not that reason, right? We all know the Bitcoin dominance going up could mean two things. Bitcoin comes down and alts go down harder, or Bitcoin goes up harder than alts. One of the two. What else do we have? What else do we got? We got the DXY, which is... Why am I on the Bitcoin chart? Hold up. Let me go back over here. DXY on the daily, which is coming back down a little bit. You know, nothing crazy, but coming back down on this new week, sort of hitting some type of resistance. I mean, trying to find some type of resistance on this after it performing pretty well the last couple months, really. Man, we've kind of said it's the last line of defense. We're kind of hoping that this green box of resistance here from all this previous support back here holds, right? We got up to the last one, trying to hold it as resistance. Will it come back down? That is the question. That is the question. Now, crypto hasn't been too correlated to this since July. I mean, crypto in general has been an uptrend, and the US dollar has been an uptrend, so it hasn't been too correlated to that recently, but I prefer it to go down. Let's go back to BTC over here. Dude, we are just crabbing right now. We are in a crab market at 57,130, guys. I don't know about you. Raise your hand in the chat if you want to see a different price than Bitcoin sitting at 57,150. I do personally. Little Bird said, I don't think anyone knows where we are in the run. Facts, man. Little Bird with the rant.
Rant alert.
Spitting facts, Little Bird. No one knows where Bitcoin's going. I've always said that. It's always the best guess, right? We're looking at the charts, coming up with our best guess. We can't predict news, right? We can't predict news. Can you take a look at Hero and C-Pool? We absolutely can. We absolutely can. So Hero, let's see, Meta Hero. Okay. This thing's just going nuts. Oh, no. Oh, no, here comes Jordan from Market Makers. Oh, no. I really didn't want to listen to this guy today. This guy is so friggin' annoying. Bro. No, come on. Do you have to come on? Dude, I cannot stand your voice. All right. Come on, man. You can come on. All right, here's Jordan from Market Makers, guys. This guy is so friggin' annoying, bro. All right, come on, man. Come on. Let's go. What's up, guys? It's Jordan from Market Makers, back here with another video. Guys, on Meta Hero, you know, we usually talk about Bitcoin, but on Meta Hero here, I had to talk about Meta Hero today because the Meta Hero bulls are getting extremely bullish today. Extremely bullish today. Guys, you guys can clearly see that we are forming on the daily chart. We are forming here on the daily chart a bearish giraffe. A bearish giraffe pattern. Okay? A bearish giraffe pattern, okay? You guys can see, I mean, it pretty clearly, right? You have a one leg, you have two legs, you have the body, okay? And you got the long neck. Now, why is this bearish, right? Well, it's showing that the buyers are getting way too excited in the market, right? A bunch of sideways and a big move to the upside. That is a clear bearish giraffe. a clear bearish giraffe pattern. And you're even getting the head here, which you want to have that last candle be red. That paints the red head, and that ultimately leads you to come all the way back down to your target at the bottom here, all the way back down at the feet at about 9 cents. All right, bearish giraffe, one of the most bearish patterns in technical analysis. Guys, if you want to learn these patterns, make sure you guys go join my trading group. My trading group down below. It is the best trading group, the biggest trading group in crypto. You don't want to miss out. Stop listening to these other bulls and all these moon boys. Go check out my trading group right down below. You won't hate it. All right. I'm going to give this back to Jordan now. I'll see you guys later. It's been Brendan. Good to talk to you guys. All right. Triceratops. Anyways, in all seriousness, I mean, this thing's just in a parabolic territory, right? I mean, there's not really much you can say about this. Didn't even go up to a fib level. I mean, I don't think this thing is done right now. You have some bearish div on the 4 hour, so you could get a slight pullback, right? I mean, you could get a slight pullback here, but let's see. Check out the volume it looks pretty low. We'll check out the volume. But yeah, I mean, higher highs, lower highs. So you have some bearish div on the 4 hour. You could come back down and maybe retest some of these levels. I'd probably say maybe come back down and test the support at like 20.8 and then continue up, because the daily,
Rolling on the floor.
I mean,
Laughing, rolling
I
on
still
the
think you go
floor.
up and test that fit.
Rolling on the floor. Laughing, rolling on the floor. Laughing, rolling on the floor. Laughing, mad, love, mate, mad. Love, roll.
Oh man, the bearish giraffe, bro. The bearish giraffe is the best. Look at Matic. Look at Matic, bro. Happy Bill Clinton. Um, 214 from Matic. We're up about 7% on the day already. We're talking about 30 minutes up 7%, man. We are going off on Matic right now. Next, I mean, you got to break this 214 level. You have a previous high here, but if that can break, you're going to 222 most likely next. 222. 4 hour daily has plenty of room to run. The 4 hour still has some room to run, and the hourly still has some room to run if this can break. I mean, you're looking, Matic's looking juicy, real juicy. Let's go. The alien, man. The alien. Bath. The elephant dung pattern is the key to long-term gains. That's true. Now I'm hearing don't want to hold Matic. Don't want to hold ick. Don't want to hold Bitcoin right now. That's for sure. Man. Come on, BTC. Stop being a dunk. I don't even know if that's a thing. A basketball dunk. Yeah, we're chilling at 214, man. We're chilling at 214. Please look at Hero. The Curbs knows where Bitcoin is going. Curbs doesn't know diddly squat, bro. Curbs, whenever Kirby flips bullish, we drop. Whenever Kirby's bearish, we go up. Warning, shots fired. But no, 214 on Mr. Matic. I'm Mr. Matic. The trend is also called a happy Bill Clinton. That's very, very skeptical, man. Very, very skeptical. It's sus, as we would call it. That's sus. Koenig said, shut your face about not wanting to hold Bitcoin, Jordan. I would never sell my Bitcoin. If there's one thing I'm not selling, guys, it's my Bitcoin. You know? I plan on selling my other alts. I made a conscious decision on what I plan to do, guys. Okay, I'm going to be selling my altcoins, selling half my ETH, and holding all my Bitcoin. I think that's the route I'm going to go. I keep switching it, but I think that's the route I'm going to go here. The more I think about it, the more I'm like, why? All right, I'll take profits from other stuff, but why am I going to sell my Bitcoin? I understand trying to buy back in lower, but you don't know what. I've always preached, you don't know where the bottom is going to be. You don't know if you're going to get an 80% drop down, or you're going to get a 20% drop down, right? We'll see. It depends. It depends what happens these next couple months, man. We're still, in my opinion, we're still months away from the top. I still don't think we're going to see the top until March, April of next year, depending on, obviously, world stuff, news, all this crap. But Salim said LMAO, and then Larry said mad love, mate, mad love. Appreciate you guys being here, man. Appreciate you guys being here while we look at bearish giraffes. This is the only stream that could get away with talking to bearish giraffe pattern. Okay? You go to any other stream, they're talking about a bearish giraffe pattern, and be like, what the heck is this guy talking about? I'm out of here. That's probably what new people think when they come in. They're like, what is this guy talking about? He's not even talking about crypto. He's talking about a bearish giraffe pattern. There's actually some people that probably come in right before that, and then they get in right as I'm saying that, and they're like, holy crap, I own MetaHero. A bearish giraffe pattern? I'm out. I'm selling. You know there's some Bob in the chat. You know there's some Bob in the chat that's sitting there going, a bearish giraffe? A bearish giraffe? I'm selling all my MetaHero. I'm not holding the 8 cents. I can't look at myself saying a bearish draft. All right. 56, 850. Oh, man. There's definitely one person in the chat that sold all their MetaHero because they saw the bearish draft. And they Google it. They tell me too. Time for Bob's small waist, pretty face with a big bank. We'll bring that out. We'll bring that out, man. It's got to be with the flow. It's got to be with the flow. All right, so Matic still chilling at 212. Nothing else is really, at least on the big caps here, is really doing much. Man. Bitcoin. So Bitcoin might be coming back down here again. Let's see. Not really, kind of a interesting day today. Interesting day. Larry said pee in my pants. That's funny. My top 5 is Bitcoin, ETH, Sol, Matic, and BNB. Nice ecoms. Those are all good choices. My top 5 now is Bitcoin, ETH, ADA, Matic, and what am I forgetting? What did I just say yesterday? Dude. Oh, Mana. Mana, after its freaking huge move up, is now number 5 in my portfolio. But Bitcoin, no, ETH, Bitcoin, Cardano, Matic, Mana. That's my top 5 now. VeChain's moved down a slot. Chainlink's moved down. Friggin' Chainlink. Chainlink sucks. Chainlink freaking sucks, man. I'm still holding my Chainlink, but holy crap, Chainlink sucks. I'm gonna start turning into a Karen on Chainlink. I really am. Chainlink! Can I speak to your manager? Let's go look at Chainlink. Look at how bad this thing sucks. Chainlink freaking sucks. It won't do anything. Where's the Chainlink manager? JBG, is that you? Is that you in the chat? Chainlink. I want to speak to the manager. I asked for a $50 Chainlink. I did not ask for a $25 Chainlink. I want a $50 Chainlink, and I want it now. I want it now. Don't make me flip out. Don't make me cause a scene. I want it now. That's me on Chainlink right now. But yeah, I mean, Chainlink is just in a kind of a channel here. Higher lows, higher highs. I mean, not really much else to say besides that. I mean, you do have bullish divergence, but is it going to have the juice, right? You guys can clearly see the higher lows and the lower lows here on Chainlink. So it has the setup there. It has the setup for the reversal, but can it happen? Okay? Can it happen? I don't. We got to wait and see. But Chainlink, man, you guys know I love Chainlink, but holy crap, man. Do something. 25 is all we can do, man. Give me 50. Seriously. Get the Karen on the friggin' slink the link. I don't even know. I don't know if Slink the Link would. No, Slink the Link is a girl. So actually, Karen might like that. I don't know. I don't know if she rolls like that. She's my mom. I don't want to know. But Fear and Greed discounts for Alpy. I got you Fear and Greed discounts. We had a new one yesterday. We had TLF Apparel with 42% off, by the way. I mean, I don't know what this is, but you guys know I love the sleeveless hoodies, man. The sleeveless hoodies and the short sleeve hoodies are fire, bro. Absolute fire. Especially if you go to the gym. Something about the hoodie, man. I just love hoodies. Anything with a hood is just great. I love hoodies. And then I like t-shirts. You guys know I like t-shirts too. But I'm a big hoodie guy. Holy crap. If you guys bought yesterday, you guys are going to be pissed. Now you got a 60% off and a 54% off and no percent off on the hoodies, man. And 32 on the fear, so people are even more fearful than yesterday. People are screaming, kicking and screaming right now. And 39% off. Oh, a new one. Natural supplements. Black Friday holiday shred stack. This one makes some sense because I was searching some fitness stuff. So that one makes sense. I guess this one kind of makes sense too in a nutshell. But yeah, I miss the True Classic tees, man. Where's the True Classic tees? I miss it. I really, really miss it. I really, really miss the True Classic tees. It's true. Short sleeve hoodie. A bearish third. Man. The YouTube ads are hilarious. What's up, Zach? Thanks for watching, man. Appreciate the kind words. You guys are, dude, I gotta say, there's something about the last couple weeks. Dude, the chat is just way more positive than it used to be, man. Like, there used to be, you guys notice that? Is this just me, or you guys notice this too? Like, the chat, the last 2 weeks, even though that's like 2 weeks, the last couple weeks, the last like month or so, the chat has just been extremely positive, bro. There used to be so many trolls. Now, I mean, the trolls are fine. You guys know I don't care about the trolls. I welcome the trolls, whatever. But everyone's just so positive in the chat, man. And even with the price action going down, I mean, people are just super positive. Not even so much about crypto, but just a bunch of nice people in the chat too, which is awesome. So ETH is chilling. Bitcoin's chilling. Will Bitcoin come back down? I don't know. Will Bitcoin come back down and test this support again? Will it come back down and test like 56.5 or so? 420? Definitely. Musty said you never read the chat? Dude, I read the chat the entire time. I always read the chat. Time to FOMO bears. What's up, Roberto? Denise said we're all high. I guess you need to be in times like this, right? I am not. You guys might think I am, but I'm actually not. Some of you guys are convinced. I see it all the time. Some of you guys convinced that I'm always up here with the 420. I'm not. I'm actually not. Now, I'm not going to say I never do, but No, I'm not on stream. Not on stream. I wouldn't be able to. I would not be able to do anything if I was doing that. Let's see. Yeah, so we're just chilling. Unlink. Matic's still just chilling at 213. Looks like Algo might be trying to move up again. Here comes Algo. Here comes Algo. Pushing $2. Come on, Algo. You got it, baby. You got it, baby. Give me the juice. You guys hold Algo. Make sure you guys put a pickle in the chat. Put a pickle, and if you can't find a pickle, just type pickle. Okay? Let's get Algo going here. Okay, we need all the juice for Algo in the chat right now. And if you don't hold Algo, if you just want Bitcoin to pump, hey, put juice in the chat too. If you want Bitcoin to pump, ETH to pump, anything to pump. Even if you want Cardano to pump, or even Chainlink. Give me a pickle in the chat. Come on, Algo. Come on, man. All right, Algo's chilling. Let's go back and check Matic. All right, here comes Matic. Here comes Matic, 215. Should I join in? Should I add the pickle in? All right, I'm going in. I'm going in. I'm going in. I'm joining my fellow pickles here. All right. Let's watch the pickle. I gotta give it some juice. Give it some juice, boys. 215 on Matic. All right, all right, all right. This is funny. Come on, man. I'm watching you. I'm right here with you. And it's going back down. All right, the juice didn't work, guys. The juice didn't work. As of right now. Algo. Still sitting at $2. Go back down here. All right. Your bros coin Shib is dumping. Shib is dumping. Way too big for this. No one's saying way too big for this. Shib. Someone said way too baked for this. You know what? Oh no. Oh no. Here comes Bob. Bob's about to buy the dip, guys. Bob's about to buy the dip. Hold up. Here he comes. Actually, what's Bob doing in his basement right now? Let's go check. Holy crap! Shib is dumping! It's time to buy the dip! Come on, whales, come with me. Let's buy the dip. Buy the Shib dip. Shib is down 5%, guys. Eat the dip like the whales. This is how we make money in crypto. We eat the dip. Come on, Shib. Shib's down 5%. I can't do it. You can't do it.
Let's jump into the Bitcoin shard.
You guys crack me up in the chat. I can't do it. Oh, I'm still Bob. Yeah, Shib's coming down 4%. 4% on Shib. Well, looks like Algo's getting up there. 202 on Algo. Let's see if we break this. There's a fib level there at 202. Buy the dip. That boy's not right, said Ed. Pretty much, Ed. Pretty much, man. Holy crap, bro. Nothing is going down here. Nothing's going down in crypto land at the moment, guys. Besides a couple coins moving up. Couple coins. Trying their best to move up, honestly. 203. Here we go. Here we go. 202. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. 202. What's up, Britt? Britt made it. All right, guys. Actually, I'm not gonna ask this question. Sometimes I always random questions. You guys know me. Random questions pop in my head, And then I go on a rant about stuff that I probably shouldn't on here. It's too early for that. It feels like it's later in the stream because, like, really nothing's going down in crypto land. Is anything... Let's actually refresh this. Let's check. Anything's really going down in crypto land. Matic, already pumped. Luna's up about 10%. Let's check out Luna. You guys probably want to check out Luna. Luna's moving up pretty well. Luna. All right, yeah. So Luna pumped. Let's actually check and see. No bearish div, which is great on Luna. I don't think Luna's done here. For the simple fact is you made a higher high and a higher high on the RSI and the daily. I like that for Luna. I don't think Luna's done. I do not think that Luna's done. I repeat, I do not think that Luna's done. You broke that very, very nicely. 4 hour is a little bit different. That's probably why you're kind of just stalling out a little bit here. You have higher highs and lower highs on Luna, so maybe come back down and test. Maybe, I mean it's a maybe, but maybe come back down and test this previous resistance, flip it as support, and then move back up higher. I think that would make a lot of sense for the structure in where the RSI levels are. Same thing on the hourly, right? Bearish dip on the hourly. It would make some sense to come back down and test like 59.64 and then continue up. And you're 618 or you're 1.618. Or sorry, you're 3.618. You're already up there. Is at $70 and 16 cents. $70 and 16 cents for Luna. When you do decide to move back to the upside. I'm about to troll Jordan for not checking Ren after asking it a million times. Cricket, you know what? Just for you, man. Shout out to Cricket, man. Let's do Cricket one more time. All right. Ren. What are we looking at for Ren? It looks like last time we looked at it, we were looking at this, like, rising channel / wedge. That broke to the downside. Let's actually... Dude, it's just this... It's a similar structure to every other alt. It's... coming back down. You have your previous highs. Coming back down to test once. Coming back down to test twice. And just getting that juice to be able to reverse back to the upside. I mean, it's
It's going crazy on Coinbase.
And look at that. The daily RSI was oversold. You've kind of retraced it back up. I like this. Now you're coming up on this level right here, which, you know, previous support, flip into resistance. That's a big level to break. You break that, I think you're gonna be looking pretty good for some home cooking here, for Ren. But yeah, I mean, you break this, I think you're off to the races. You got higher lows on the daily coming in, and same resistance on the top side for the most part. So I like that structure. For continuation, you just got to break this like 97 cent mark on the close on the daily. You're probably off to the races, like we said. What's Bico going crazy on Coinbase? What's Bico? I don't know what Bico is, man. Wow. I don't know what this is, but there you go. It's up, went up like 3x there in an hour. So there you go. I don't know what this is, but there you go. I'll do one of these for you.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
No idea what that is. Well, congrats to everyone that was in Bico. Matic's going nuts right now. Matic is going nuts, boys. 218 on Matic. Matic's up 9% in an hour. Matic is up 9%. Actually, I don't think it... I think I'm making that up, actually. No, I'm not, actually. Okay. Yeah, Matic is up. Yeah. Yeah. I'm not making that up, actually. I don't know why I just thought I was making that up. It's up 9% in an hour. That's no joke. It's no joke. You're breaking the previous high closes. If you can break 222, Matic. The next one is this next peak up here at 243. You break 222, you're going to 243. But let's focus on breaking 222 first before we get too carried away, right? We don't want to get too carried away, obviously. What's up, Alex? Thank you for coming to Jordanite Gold member. You're an absolute stud, man. Absolute stud. You guys are all studs. Yeah, you guys are all studs. Easily. You know? We're studs on this channel. Why? Why are we studs on this channel? Because we are here not obviously you guys aren't here every single day. I don't hold it against you if you're not here every single day. You guys are here most days, which means that you are staying in touch with crypto. You're not going away because there's a dip, okay? You guys are taking the time now to invest into crypto, which you should be when there's dips. You shouldn't be coming in here only when the price is going up, right? So everyone that's in here right now is a true cryptoer. Why? Because for the majority of the parts, I mean, there's obviously coins that are going up, but the majority of ones have been going down. So you guys are the true cryptoers. Not everyone that comes in when the price is going up and where it's all hurrah and it's all rainbows and sunshines, right? That's not the best time. At least when Bitcoin's doing that. Algo. Yeah, Algo's just chilling right at that resistance right there. Let's see if Algo can break that. It should be looking pretty good for Mr. Algo. But Matic, man. What was our target for Matic here? Close to $3. Close to $3 target. Gala?
Is that a good buy at this level?
DL, I got you on Gala, man. Let's see what Gala's doing. I'm going to assume it's dropping just because I see that mana's dropping. I could be wrong. Yeah. Just like mana.
Happy birthday, George. That possible $100.
Happy birthday. Thank you for saying happy birthday, man. I appreciate it. I haven't seen anyone say happy birthday yet, you know? So I think I'm 76 years old, man. I am wise I am very, very wise. I'll say that. Very, very wise. No, but Gala, 76, bro. I can't believe I'm 76. I'm flies, man. I'm freaking flies. No, but Gala's in a beautiful, it's quite beautiful if you ask me. Symmetrical triangle, right? I mean, higher lows, lower highs, just coming in very, very nicely. You take the swing high to swing low and you extrapolate that to the upside. It puts you at 95.7 cents. It's in a bullish trend. You got to give it the bias to the upside. You got to give it the bullish bias. And you can see it's done it twice. You actually had a symmetrical triangle right here, broke to the upside. You actually had kind of the same thing here. Lower highs, higher lows, broke to the upside. This is more of a bull flag, but you can see it. I mean, it likes to do this. It likes to freaking do this. So who knows, man? And these coins really haven't been too correlated to Bitcoin. So it's not really I can say like, all right, if Bitcoin drops, this is dropping, because they haven't really been correlated to Bitcoin at all. So watch that. If you do drop, like I say, if you did dump here, I would say I look for support at 57 cents first. And if you break that, maybe you come back down to like 48, 49 cents, and then kind of decide what you want to do, right? You got to go from there. Show the like button. Oh, Booty. Guys, let's hit up that like button. Let's shill the like button, guys. Smack the like button. You can never smacked it before. We got to get over 1,000 likes on every single stream, okay? I haven't shilled it since the beginning of the stream. Let's smack that like button. Like, click it harder than... I'm not going to say this. No, Jordan, don't say it. Don't say it. All right, just click the like button. I'm not going to say what I want to say. But thank you for the shout out, Booty. Every day is Jordan's birthday. Every day is my birthday, Britt. Every day is my birthday, Brit. Brit's awesome. Brit's always in the comments section on every video. Always in the comments section on every video. Saying, what's up? What's up? Couldn't make the stream today. Brit's cool. Happy birthday, Jordan. Wait. Oh, Alex became a member. Is Dot possible $100? Yeah, I think Dot could easily hit $100. I mean, it was just at 55, right? I mean, it hasn't been performing too well since Bitcoin's dip, but you know, I'm still a big believer in Dot. It just hasn't. It was doing so well, and Bitcoin just kind of pooped on its party, right? Bitcoin, quote unquote, pooped on its party. So let's see if we have anything here on Dot. This could just be a back test on Dot, honestly. If Bitcoin can hold up here, right? That's always the question, especially with like these top, like high cap alts. If Bitcoin can hold up here, the sort of downwards channel that Dot was in did break out. And this could just be the ultimate back test. Now, you don't want to come back in. You don't want to come back into this. But this could just be the back test. And if this holds, you might have a good shot at moving up to the upside. And Fat Juicy said, is Dot a good buy at this level? Yeah, I don't see why not. I mean, it's down. Now, just always keep in mind it could go lower, but just keep in mind it is down 35% from its highs. Like, you can't get much better than that. I mean, you can, right? Especially if we drop, but yeah, I don't think you go much lower than this previous low. Even if we did drop again, I don't think you go much lower than 33. Maybe to make a double bottom and a continuation up. But yeah, I mean, Dot, let's see if it holds this level. See if it holds this level and then can get the reversal back to the upside. Ghostly said, yes, I'm waiting on that back test since I missed a Matic trade days ago. Yeah, we'll see if it holds. It's going to depend a lot on Bitcoin, too. I mean, we know this. We know this. And Shazeb became a member. What's going on at Shazeb? Shazeb, like Shazam. Shazam. Pretty much the same thing, right? Shazam, Shazeb. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. All right, where are we at right now? We got 14. Okay. We got 826 likes. That's not too shabby. That's not too shabby for where we are in the stream right now, guys. I appreciate that a lot. Appreciate the support. You know. Yes, you still got 1,400 people in here too. Yeah, it's actually crazy that 1,400 people watch. Really, nothing going down in the charts. You know, makes me feel good. Makes me feel like that you guys come and watch. You guys come and watch it for me, or you come and watch it for Bob, or you come and watch it for Java. We haven't seen Java today. Java, I don't think Java really traded today, guys. So, but he might be back tomorrow, depending on if we pump or dump. He hasn't really been trading these last couple days because Savvy hasn't told him any good shorts or any good longs. So we'll check on Java. I don't know what he's doing right now. I don't think we even want to know what Java's doing. He does some weird stuff. He does some very weird stuff. He does some really weird stuff. Should we go see what he's doing? Should we go see what he's doing? Let's go see what Java's doing. I mean, we might as well. All right, let's go see. What? You guys don't like my new hat? You guys don't like my new hat?
Can you check out weekly chart on the snail?
What do you mean? This is my new hat. Why are you guys making fun of my hat? This is supposed to impress Melissa. My hat. I got this from China. I got this from China. What do you mean? I got this from my most recent short. I shorted Bitcoin and got a little bit back. This is from China. All right. I can't figure out some of this stuff, man.
Let's jump into the Bitcoin shop.
This is the only friggin' item. There's no other items over here. Man, bro. Friggin' Jabba with his new China hat. Is this a Pokemon? Someone said. Daniel said, "Is this a Pokemon?" No, it's not a Pokemon. It's not. If you call Jabba a Pokemon, he's gonna get very upset, man. Could you check out? Why does my head feel weird now, dude? Never put that thing on your head. My head feels really weird. Holy crap! Need a haircut too. Wow. My head feels really weird. Can you check out weekly chart on the snail ADA? Yeah, the weekly chart on snail. Oh, moly. Matic. I'm playing the pump. Actually, no, I'm not going to play the pump song for Matic. We'll go back to Matic. But the weekly chart on snail ADA. I mean, the snail ADA, man. If there's ever a spot of a reversal, we'll keep saying this. All these previous wick highs looking left. All right, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? You're coming up on that level again. Will that hold, right? Will that hold for Captain Cardano? That's the question. We're back down at 154, man. Cardano's down 50% from its highs. Think about that for a second. And yeah, I mean, it's will that hold? Will that hold? What we said about the daily is the daily's oversold. The last time ADA was oversold on the daily was right here, and it had a major run. So don't know if it's going to do the same thing, but, you know, just going based off history, you probably even go back farther in the past. ADA was oversold right here. What did that lead to? A major run. ADA was oversold right here. What did that lead to? A major run. So the last 3 times that it led to a major run. You can even argue the 4th time right here. You had a major run from 3 cents to 7 cents. So, I mean, the last 4 times you had at least a 2x every time the daily RSI was oversold. So keep that in mind. I don't know if that means anything, but, you know, I guess we can't say it doesn't mean anything. All right, so Matic is now pushing 220. Matic's about to have a 20%, Matic's about to have a 10% hour. No, it's slightly over an hour now, but it's looking juicy. Scott said, loving it, bro. Thank you, Scott. Thanks for hanging out, dude. And Ivan with the super chat. Thank you, Ivan. Thanks for hanging out too, man. Here comes Bitcoin. Trying to is the key word, you know? Bitcoin tries to do this. But we all know Bitcoin. We all know Bitcoin is, you know, a snail on stream. Let's see what happens. I mean, you're holding that hourly EMA very, very nicely there. Very, very nicely. And the 4 hour, look at that. The 4 hour you're holding very nicely too. It's like clockwork. Look at this. The 4 hour EMA you're holding perfectly. And then the hourly EMA you're holding perfectly. I mean, let's see if that continues. The daily is so close to breaking out, man. This freaking wedge resistance is right there, man. It's right there. I mean, you only have to break 57.7 and you break out now. That's nothing. That's easy money. There's no volume. Yeah, let's go see. Does Mike think that there's volume today? Why would I think there's volume? There's never volume. There's never volume. Guys, this is still a dead cat bounce. There's no volume. There's bearish divergence on the monthly. Bearish divergence on the monthly. And there's no volume. There's no volume. Mike, shut the heck up. Shut the heck up. Now you got Bob pissed. Mike, shut the heck up. Stop yelling in the house. I'm trying to watch around the blockchain.
I meant MTLL by that.
Oh, man. Let's see. Oh, man. All right. Scott said, your thoughts on MTL? I don't know if I have thoughts on MTL. Let's go see. MTL. What the heck? Oh, man. That's too good. All right. Moving on. Moving on to MTL. What's going down in MTL land? Well, let's see. Let's see. Downtrend of resistance and horizontal support. So technically speaking, right, if we want to be technical here, you want to be really I guess you could argue this is uptrending support too. Like this. So I would even say that this is a symmetrical triangle, right? Where you're getting higher lows, lower highs. So you would think in theory that this would break to the upside. If we take swing high to swing low, and we actually extrapolate this to the upside, you're in an uptrend, would be $6, right around $6.08. Obviously the downside target's going to be messed up because that does that. But look at downside targets. Man, you just have such good support here at right around like 263. I mean, if you do drop a little bit lower, you could possibly, maybe, right? Quite maybe, come back down to that $2.05 level. So make sure you're watching that $2.05 level. Also here, guys, $2.05 as a potential breakdown target too. So watch that for MTL. I mean, but ultimately, it's tough, right? It's tough. We got to see what happens. But what we'll see, or we kind of said that we look at the RSI sometimes, and it's kind of doing a similar type of thing, right? It's not really helping us too much. It looked a little bit better on paper. It just ignored me. But yeah, I mean, that's it. The daily EMA ribbon is, you're under it. So I don't love that. And I'm going to assume that the weekly, you're holding as support. Yeah. You could come a little bit lower here in the weekly, but you're under the daily. So let's see. The daily EMA ribbon's acting as resistance now. It might be a problem, but let's if you can break back above it, awesome. I mean, you're off to the races here. Off to the freaking races. And you just got to break out within the next couple, about 2 weeks or so. Can you do a PNT Pi network? Get hit by FOMO? Get hit by FOMO? I don't FOMO, bro. Guys, let me know in the chat. Do you guys FOMO or not FOMO? Let me know in the chat. FOMO or not FOMO? I want to know what you guys do. Because I don't FOMO. Even sometimes to a detriment, I don't FOMO. So higher lows coming in. Higher lows, higher freaking lows. What else do we got here? I mean, not really much else going down here in PNT land. Nothing really going out. So there's some bearish divergence there. That's playing out already. So, I don't know. You probably come back down at this point. You're probably coming back down to test this support line. Somewhere around like $1.03. You probably come back down and test this and then get that moonshot. You can see every time you go up here, you make this top. You always come back down to this, right? Right here. Right here. Right here. Okay? And you just made another one right here. So it's probably likely you're coming back down to test, like I said, $1.03, $1.04, depending how long it takes you to come back down there. But yeah, it's been a pretty predictable trend for this one here. But that's probably what I see there. You're right on the daily EMA ribbon, but you can drop below it. To FOMO or not to FOMO? FOMO. I have FOMO'd. Nope. I bromo. FOMO on the daily. Market is getting FOMO times 2 weaker and weaker today. Calculated FOMO. Always FOMO. FOMO every day. Never FOMO. Never FOMO. Wow, more people FOMO than not FOMO. Wow. I'm actually generally shocked. More people FOMO than don't FOMO. But a lot of people said calculated FOMO, which is fine. I mean, technically buying something on a breakout is technically FOMO, right? So I guess you could make that work. Long A, 1 hour downwards channel on sand. Let's see. Sand. All these ones are kind of dipping a little bit, which is fine. They usually take turns with like Bitcoin. One dips, the other one pumps. One dips, the other one pumps. Let's zoom in here on the 1 hour. Long freaking downward channel. I looked at this yesterday. It just kind of keeps going. It keeps going. And never ending. Never ending channel here. No, but it is really a never ending channel. It really is. See if you have any fibs left. Probably have the 786. Yeah, you're right at the 786. So you really want to see that hold, in my opinion. If you break the 786, you're going to come back down and test this previous low down here at like 577. So let's hold that. Let's hold that. All right, let's hold that. It's good support too. You have a couple previous lows at this level too. One here, one here. So let's hold this. Hope that this is the reversal to the upside, but you break it. 576 is definitely coming inside that freaking channel. The freaking channel. Zcash for Connor. Zcash. Not Y cash, not X cash, not A cash, definitely not B cash. We don't like B cash in here. We don't like B cash in here. Bitcoin Cash sucks. Bitcoin Cash sucks. I'll repeat it again. Bitcoin Cash sucks.
Rant alert.
You're going to have someone in the chat. Here we go. I'm waiting for all the people in the chat. I'm waiting for all the people in the chat right now. Shut up, man. Shut up, man. Calm down, man. Calm down. Shut up. You guys know all those people. Calm down, man. Shut up. Take a chill pill. How old are you? Remember Dee? How old are you? I am approximately 12 years old. Thank you. I am 12 years old. Thank you for asking. No older than 12 though. I'm no older than 12. All right. Let's see what's going down here for Zcash. Zcash. Rant it. It's like Ada. It is. Rest in peace, Dee. Remember Dee? Man, Dee got on my nerves that day. Dee really got on my nerves. So, it's going to be a wedgie. This could be a wedgie. You could argue it could be a channel too. I mean, either way it would be a bullish pattern. You could argue either way. You can make this really into anything you want. But I mean, you could argue it's a bullish pattern, which would give you a eventual target here. You know, if you wanted to say this was a bull flag, right? Let's just say that if this was at a breakout target, 386. If that eventually breaks to the upside, and if there's a level to hold, you actually kind of already broke it. Let's actually check the daily. Yeah, if there's a level to hold in the daily, it is right about right here. The previous high here in the daily. I want to hold that level and get the bounce from there. And then that'll be looking pretty juicy. That'll be looking relatively juicy there for Zcash if that was to happen. So yeah, Zcash is not looking too bad. Proud Gunner, sir, what's your thoughts on Bico? Just hit Coinbase and Sushi Swap today. Use sounds good and low market cap right now. I don't know too much about it, man. I don't know too much about it. I saw the chart. It was like a 3x. Probably even higher now. I don't even know much about this. What is this? APIs to Web 0.3 user. Decentralized web access available to everyone. Centralized web access. Okay. Interesting. Yeah, I don't know too much about this. I've looked more into this, but yeah, I mean, obviously it's going nuts. It's going absolutely nuts. That $18. Yeah, it's at about a 3x. At about a 3x, man. Charles tweeted that Dexes should be coming out by Christmas. I hope so, man. I hope so. More rants, Jordan? I don't have anything to rant about. I really don't. I don't want to just make up rants. I don't really have anything to rant about. I unfollowed Carl on Twitter, so I don't get too mad about Costa. I haven't really been watching too many crypto videos anymore. You know, I've been kind of, you guys know me, I try to, limit my time really in crypto. It was a time where I was spending way too much time in crypto. So I'm not seeing like the same thumbnails. I'm not seeing Four Flies thumbnails and all this crap. I'm not seeing market makers and Savvy. I don't even know what Savvy's talking about now. What is Savvy even talking about, bro? What is Savvy even talking about? I don't even know what Savvy's talking about. Market makers is probably making up, like we said, some bearish giraffe pattern. Who knows, dude? Who knows? Rant about not having any rants. People in the chat are super nice now lately, too. So it's not like anyone's pissing me off in the chat. Everyone's super nice in the chat. So, I mean, I only rant when there's something to rant about. I'm not going to make up a rant. But, Britt, I need... if I don't, you guys know me. If I find something to rant about, I will say it, man. I will say it. Costa is the Karen. Yeah, don't get me started about Costa, man. I had to unfollow Carl because I couldn't take it anymore. I couldn't take it anymore. I don't know how anyone follows that guy. Nothing he tweets is useful. He doesn't tweet any charts. He just says Bitcoin to the moon, or I love Costa, or hey, I bought $1 million NFT. It's like, bro, I guess I'm kind of ranting right now, but yeah, that dude 100%. Nothing wrong with Carl. Like, he seems like a cool guy. I just don't like the stuff he tweets, man. You know, there's nothing wrong with Carl. Nothing wrong with Carl himself. Carl himself is fine. It's just his Twitter, bro. 57 150. You're ranting as we speak, my man? I did kind of rant.
Rant alert.
57 157. Let's see what goes down here. Pipe it. Man. Can we get some I like crypto in the chat? That was hilarious. The I like crypto guy. He literally just said I like crypto. It's like, dude, out of anything you could say, you say I like crypto. All right, ETH. This is your time to shine, baby girl. This is your time to shine, baby girl. I might remarry you if you pump again. If ETH hits $5,000, I'll remarry ETH. I will. Here's the thing. I will do the ceremony of me remarrying ETH on stream if we hit 5,000. When ETH hits 5,000, we're going to do me and ETH's wedding ceremony. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm looking forward. I hope it happens like this week. Hope it happens this week. If she behaves. And obviously she goes to 5,000. That obviously means she's behaving. The dump before the dump. CH. What's going on, CH? Yes, you always know CH is in here trolling. 14K imminent. You haven't heard that one before. Rant vote? That was like a 1 rant. That was a 1 rant. I'll give myself a 1 on that one.
Everybody panic. We're going to 0.
That was like a stable coin rant.
That's an exit stable coin.
All right, come on, ETH. Come on, ETH. You've been leading the show lately. When ETH pumps, that's a good sign. Lately, ETH has been the leader of the market, guys. As much as no one wants to admit it, ETH has been the leader of the market lately. Every time ETH pumps, it's good for the rest of the market. It really is. Sol is pumping. Okay, looks like Sol is about to break. Sol is about to break 235, guys. That's going to be really, really good here for Sol. It's really, really good here for Sol. Pump music for Sol. Let's get it. And we're back below it. And we're sitting right at it still. We're sitting right at that resistance, guys. So let's see what happens next. But Sol's not looking too bad. If that breaks, well, yeah, it's got the 786 fib at 242. So we'll watch that too. We'll watch that. Let's go, ETH, baby. ETH! I love you! I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. I'm sorry. All right? I just couldn't take it anymore. Come on, ETH. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. 46.16. Get up there, baby. 46.19. Come on, girl. I see you. I see you right now. I'm watching you. It's not creepy or anything. I'm watching you. 46.22. I love you too, E. Take us back. All right. We're chilling. Forgive me, I'm a moron. Stock market to zero? Eli said stock market to zero. Yeah, I mean, it didn't look good today. It didn't look good today, that's for sure. And I kind of said earlier, like, Bitcoin's holding up very, very well, considering the fact that the stock market looked like absolute trash today. You know, normally, if this was a day, normally, Bitcoin would have dropped a lot more than it did. A lot more than it did. All right, here comes Bitcoin. Here comes Bitcoin. How do I always say it twice? I say everything twice, actually. I just noticed that. Guys, do I say everything twice or do I say everything once? I now that I'm thinking about it in my head, I think I say everything twice. I was about to say that again twice. That's pretty funny. Hi Jordan, can you please do a fib extension on Algo? Love the show, bro. Costa, buy bit, buy bit. Costa, buy bit, buy bit. Let's see. A fib extension on Algo. Oh, that's Ada.
On Theta is going great. Smile. Everybody pump the like thumbs up.
What's up, Pawtucket? A fib extension. We doing a long term or short term fib extension, my guy? We'll do this one. We'll do this one. We'll do swing low to swing high. And yeah, I mean, you can see on Algo, like that this initial pump up went right to the 618. Right to the 618. That was quite beautiful, if you ask me. I'm hearing everything twice. 2 to 3 times. 2 times. I do say everything twice. Holy crap. I gotta work on that, man. That's crazy. Dude, turn the hat around. You're messing up our vibe. No, Bitcoin has been pumping ever since we had the backwards hat, man. It's something we're doing right now. We're gonna see if it works. Cool. No, but Algo, I mean, the next one would be, in theory, if it did go up, 2.618 is at 372. You know, if we're looking at, you know, our fib extension targets. But yeah, this one was beautiful. Beautiful. Hold back. Tested the highs. Now let's see if we launch up to the upside. Find out. All right, Bitcoin. Are we serious right now? Are we serious right now? As I say it twice. Stepped out of office again. RSR or sand? Sand, man. Sand. 100%. 100%. Pawtucket, driving home from Warwick. I don't know how far that is from Warwick. Pawtucket and Warwick. I can't imagine it would be that far. But appreciate it, Pawtucket. Shazeb said, TA on Theta. Stream is going great. Everyone pump the likes. Let's pump the likes, guys. I don't know where we're at right now. Let's see. We're at 947 likes. Let's get that up to 1,000. We only need 53 more. 53 more should be pretty attainable in my personal opinion. If you ask me. If you ask me. Let's do Theta. And if you guys are new to the stream, make sure you guys subscribe. There's probably a bunch of you guys that are new. We're here every night. We're here every single night. I might be moving the stream from 7 my time to 6:30, just because I had a time change and a lot of people didn't have a time change. So I probably be moving it to 6:30 now just so we can catch the close in the beginning. I think that would probably work out a little bit better. So that's probably going to be going official. But obviously I'll let you guys know. For here and out, it's probably going to be 6:30. 6:30 p.m. my time, which is different everywhere. Eastern Standard Time. So theta.
I meant, can we look at RSR or SAND?
Oh, yeah, I got you, man. I got you, man. Hood Rich, what's going on, dude? Appreciate that. Mom, I got you. Can we look at RSR and SAND? I got you. I got you. Actually take this from here and yeah, dude, I gotta assume that theta is gonna have a massive move soon, man. I mean, look at this coil. Look at this coil with lower highs and higher lows coming in. You gotta assume this is gonna have a massive move here at some point. I mean, theta is another one that just hasn't moved in a while. You gotta assume. I mean, you guys gotta remember, like, theta was one of the best performers in the first leg of this market, man. Theta was at 5 cents. And theta went freaking nuts, bro. 5 cents to $15. I got to assume this is going to have a run to the upside. You know, I got to assume that. In my personal opinion, it's my opinion. Right? You guys know I do own a good amount of theta. I got to assume this moves up to the upside, man. Just because you're in a bullish trend in the grand scheme of things. The weekly looks even more beautiful. You know? So, I'm not going to do a target because it's probably going to be something ridiculous. But, yeah, I got to assume this is going to break out by the end of December. Hopefully it's sooner. But, you know, I got to assume it's going to have a massive move. Matic broke out. Matic. Oh, Matic's go up again. 220. Still wasn't that 220 earlier? I could be wrong. Yeah, Matic. Look at that girthy weekly candle. Yeah, Matic's still at 220. So we got to break 222. 222 is the next one. It's in this next peak here. We break 222. We're looking juicy, juicy, juicy for Matic. See if it's got the juice. Let's see if it's got the gin and juice. All right, Mamba wants RSR or SAND. We'll do SAND. I think more people are probably interested in SAND. Let's do SAND, man. Yeah, we talked about this a little bit earlier. I mean, just a big downwards channel on the hourly. You're just waiting patiently for this one, man. You're right at the 786. I would assume that this is going to try to be a bottom here. As you also have hourly divergence too. So right off the 786, right with some bullish divergence on the hourly. This would be a good spot for reversal. Let's just get the buy pressure coming in, man. This would be a great spot for reversal. How she only... Yeah, so Sol went up and tested 235, got an initial rejection. Eternal wants track. I got you on track, Eternal. I got you on track. Oh, what's going on with track? Man. Interesting chart. Interesting chart. Very, very interesting. Very, very interesting. Oh, yeah. Track is looking interesting. It really is.
Can we do RSR too low? Will it go back to 1 cent?
RSR2? I got you, Mamba. I mean, this one's probably going up for a move sometime soon too. Nothing really there on the RSI. Let's check the hourly. Let's check the hourly. Nothing really there either. I mean, man, there's nothing there as far as juice goes. We need some juice. We need some juice. The daily's looking a little iffy. The daily looks like it probably could come back down and test the bottom here again. Because there's really nothing here supporting on the daily. This could come back down and test, somewhere around 150, 151. Come back down and test this again and then break to the upside. Or to the downside, obviously. You can obviously break to the downside too, if you so choose. But yeah, I mean, you're patiently waiting on this one. 4-hour EMA ribbon giving you resistance. I'm assuming the daily is too. Daily hasn't even started yet. Hourly acting resistance. Yes, you're below all the EMA ribbons, so with not much support. I think it's likely you come back down and test the bottom of this again, and then try to move back up after. And that's track. Let's do RSR for Mamba. RSR for Mamba, and then we will probably see what else we got going in the chat, and then we'll probably we've been live for like 2 hours and 10 minutes. Let's see. So RSR, this is a beautiful chart. This is beautiful if you ask me. Previous resistance flipped into support. I mean, it's absolutely beautiful. And look at the juice you're getting. Like, if you want to know what the juice means, that's the juice. That is the juice. And it's a nice W reversal pattern as well. You guys can see here on the daily. Boop, 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 boop. Broke the neckline, and you're off to the races. So obviously, you're going to probably come back up and test the top here at 5.6 cents. Probably where you're going next. Daily has plenty of room to run. No bearish divergence yet. All right, it's the 4-hour. Hourly has plenty of room to run. And the daily looks juicy. The daily looks really juicy. Really, really juicy. So yeah, let's focus on broken 5.6. Break 5.6. Highs there at 6. And then, like I said, after that, you're looking pretty like home cooking to test up some of these next levels. But I'd watch 5.6 and 6 for the next two resistance levels. Resistances. Why am I speaking maybe some Spanish? I don't know. Just ignore me, guys, half the time. It looks like a bearish mongoose. Double nothing burger. Dude, I want a cheeseburger so bad. You guys, I want a cheeseburger so bad, man. I've been hardcore on my diet, man. Hardcore, dude. It's because I am motivated as a mother right now. So motivated, dude. My diet right now is like ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. But it's great. It's great. Actually, when you eat healthy and you eat less, you actually have way more energy. You have way more energy. It's such a weird thing. When you're eating double cheeseburgers every day, you're eating pizza every day, you know, yeah, you're getting more calories, but you feel sluggish and you have way less energy, in my opinion. I am freaking hungry too, but I do want a burger. I want a fat burger right now. Fat burger. I had McD for the first time in years and I got sick. Denise, sorry to hear that. I used to eat McDonald's a lot, man. I'm gonna post on Instagram soon. I'm not where I want to be yet. Soon on Instagram, I'm gonna post a before and after picture of what I used to look like. About not a year ago, probably like a year and a half ago. You guys will be shocked. You guys won't even believe it's the same person, bro. From a year and a half ago to where I'm probably doing it in a few weeks. It's crazy, bro. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. I don't even think I'm the same person, man. But yeah, I'm kind of just ranting about random stuff right now. A fat Five Guys burger would be nice. Yeah, nothing. I've always said Five Guys has the best burgers, bro. Five Guys have the best burgers, the best fries too. You want some of those Cajun? You guys ever had the Cajun fries from Five Guys? Let me tell you, there's been some nights I got a large Cajun fry from Five Guys and I ate the entire thing. Not anymore, but there were some nights that I did that, man. Those Cajun fries, oh boy. Oh boy. You can't show us the Java pic, dude. It has to be you. Yeah. In-N-Out? Nah. Guaranteed to purchase the image of Java. A before and after picture, and Java's the before picture. That's actually hilarious. That would be hilarious. Oh, man, that's funny, man. That's funny. The Cajun fries are amazing. Dude, they're so good. They're so good. How do you eat a large fry? That's like 10 pounds of fries. Dude, trust me. Guys, I could literally be, if I wanted to be, I could be Matt Stoney, bro. I can eat so much food. You have no idea. You have no idea how much food I can eat. Like, I can eat a ridiculous amount of food. Like, to the point where it's like, actually, every time I used to eat a lot, people would be like, dude, are you still hungry? And I'd be like, yeah, I'm still hungry. I could be Matt Stoney if I wanted to. Like, if I actually like trained for it, 100%. 100%. It was pretty bad. All right, come on, Eth. Now we're talking about food too much, man. I'm getting hungry, man. 46, 12, 14. Come on, Eth. Come on, BTC. Come on, Eth. Either breakout or breakdown. Breakdown could go lower than lows. JH, that was like so generic, man. Come on, El Salvador. Matic. Where's Matic? Matic's still chilling at 219. So Matic's just chilling right now. Hasn't really moved up since last time. Just kind of chilling there at 219, 220. Nothing else is really moving, though, to be honest. Nothing's really moving, to be honest. Algo, $2. Yeah, Algo's just showing at $2. All right, guys, there's not really much going on. I was kind of waiting for a second because ETH was trying to move up and Bitcoin was trying to move up a little bit, but they came right back down. So I'm going to call it a stream. I like crypto, so Blue Collar Jose. I like crypto. That's the best thing. I like crypto. Make sure you guys hit up the like button before you go. Hit up the damn like button before you freaking go. I appreciate it so much when you guys hit up that like button. As always, make sure you guys go check the links in the description. Follow me on Twitter. Follow me on Instagram. Links are in the description for those down below. Also, go use my links down below. If you guys do trade, use my link. Don't use Carl's, okay? Don't use Carl's. And I'll catch you guys later. Make sure you guys don't panic sell your crypto. As always, take it easy, fellas. Take it freaking easy. Peace.